Known and unknown methods of treatment with onions. Onions are almost always on the table in humans. Its stunning taste and aroma complements the dishes with sophistication. But we often eat it in order to get a high dose of vitamin C for prevention and in the treatment of colds and viruses. That's just with the purpose of treatment. Onions can be used not only for the treatment of respiratory diseases. Treatment methods. Trichomonas colpitis. Make onion puree, put in cheesecloth and place in the vagina for 8 to 12 hours. Sprain. Grate the onion and combine with sugar 10:1. Apply the composition to the affected place and make a dressing for 6 hours. Sinusitis. Connect 1 teaspoon onion juice, 1 teaspoon ointment Vishnevsky, 1 teaspoon kalanchoe juice, 1 teaspoon cyclamen juice. Moisten a cotton wool in the tool and put in the nostrils for half an hour. Runny nose. Crush the onions, wrap in a little frost and place in the nasal passages for 15 minutes. Toothache. Crush the onions, wrap in cheesecloth and place in the ear that is on the part of the toothache. Lack of menstruation. Onion husks must be cooked over low heat until the broth turns dark red. At 3 liters of water is taken 2 kilograms of the product. The resulting product is taken 10 days, drinking 1-2 tablespoons 30 minutes before meals. Skin fungus. Lubricate the affected areas with a mixture of onion juice and honey. Angina. Cook 2 halved onions in 300 ml of water. Leave the broth to infuse until it cools. Rinse your throat all day. You can combine the onion juice with honey equally and use it every 2 hours for 1 teaspoon. Chronic bronchitis. Crush 0.5 kilograms of onion and place under the yolk to make the juice stand out. Add 0.5 kilograms of sugar to the drained liquid, let it brew for 2 weeks. Take 1 tablespoon L 2 times a day for 3 weeks. Cough. Boil 10 onions in 1 liter of water, until the amount of liquid decreases 2 times, cool, strain and drink 150 ml of broth, mixing it with honey, 3 times a day. Wounds and abrasions. Grate an equal amount of carrots and onions, apply to the affected place for 10 minutes. Otitis. Cut off the tip of the bulb, dig a core and pour inside the flaxseed oil. Bake a vegetable, then pour the resulting liquid into diseased ears. Edema. Mix honey and chopped onion 1:1 and take 1 tablespoon means 4 to 5 times a day. Helminths. Insist onion gruel 1.5 tablespoon water for 12 hours. Strain and drink at 1-2 art. 3 to 4 days per day. Hypertension. Mix 5 chopped lemon without dried peel, 20 cloves of garlic and 5 onions. After that, add 1 kilogram of sugar and pour 2 liters of water. Means need to insist weak in the dark. Drink 3 times a day 30 minutes before meals and 1 tablespoon facilities. Migraine. Apply to the forehead gruel of onions, wrapped in cheesecloth.